In this video I will show you how to buy crypto with your PayPal balance step by step. This method works even in many countries where you couldn't directly buy crypto inside the PayPal app. You will need to download this crypto.com app to do this process. And I will leave you a direct link right here in the description below the video. And before we move into the details of how to buy crypto right here, let me show you inside the PayPal app and then we will move to the crypto.com. You can see here that I'm now on the homepage of my PayPal app. And let me try to find for ways to buy crypto with my PayPal balance. I will click here on the top left menu. And I try to search for option to buy crypto, but I don't find. You can see all the options right here. There is no such thing as buy crypto directly. Then I have clicked here in the middle, send and request, but I still don't find a direct way to buy crypto. Then I go into my wallet and it shows the balance, but it still doesn't show a way to buy crypto directly. You have seen that I have gone through every possible tab in the PayPal app, and there is not a direct purchase option. And that's why we will use crypto.com app, because this will allow you to buy crypto with your PayPal balance. Just to give you some background about this crypto.com app, you can see that they have more than 140 million users worldwide, possibly hundreds of millions of users by the time you are watching this video. You can see here the average rating is 4.5 stars out of 5 based on hundreds of thousands of reviews, so people absolutely love this crypto app. The Crypto.com company has been around since 2016, so it has a very long and successful track record. And that's why it's one of the most trusted crypto apps in the world. It's kind of like an all-in-one crypto app. Here you can do trading, you can do direct deposits and withdrawals to bank. And they also provide the Crypto.com Visa card that you can use to spend your crypto easily in real life, and many more great features, including the option to buy with PayPal that I will show you in a moment. Once you are inside the Crypto.com app and you want to buy crypto with your PayPal balance, you will click here buy. Then you will choose what coin you want to buy. Let's choose Bitcoin, which is the strongest one of all. And then you choose a PayPal option right here. When you choose the PayPal here for the first time, you need to connect your PayPal account with Crypto.com. Basically, you will verify that you are the owner of that PayPal account, and then it will be saved right here. Next time you will see your account connected already, so you only need to connect it once. And if you ever want to remove the connection, you can simply slide to the left and you can see here remove button, so you can remove the connection. Here on the top you can choose how much crypto or Bitcoin you want to buy. You can choose the amount in BTC, or you can tap this one right here and then you can choose the amount in your local currency, which may be easier for most people. Let me buy, for example, 10 euros worth of Bitcoin. It shows how much Bitcoin I will receive. I click here buy and you can see the method is PayPal. I click here pay with PayPal. I verify my fingerprint. It says loading and you can see I just bought some Bitcoin with my PayPal balance. Here is also the proof inside my PayPal account. You can see that it has deducted 10 euros and 30 cents from my PayPal account. And let's go into my accounts and I will prove that I have received the BTC. I go here to crypto and I click here Bitcoin. And here it is buy BTC with PayPal. You can see the details right here. And you might have noticed that there is around a 3% fee when using the PayPal option. I will show you another option with 0 fees in a moment, but first let me answer some of the frequently asked questions about this PayPal purchase. Oftentimes people ask me what is the minimum of buying crypto with different methods, and I have tested this one with less than €1 and it went through successfully. I have chosen here like 0.99 euros and it went through successfully. You can see it right here. Buy BTC, there is a €2 buy, there is a 0.99 euro buy. So if there is a minimum, it must be very small, because I was able to buy even for less than €1. Then if you're asking what is the maximum amount, you can actually test it right here. I have chosen the PayPal, and let's start putting different amounts here. If I try to put, for example, 10,000 euros, it says it's too much. Then if I put, for example, 4,500 euros, it says that I'm able to buy it. But if I choose more than 5,000, it says that the maximum weekly limit has been exceeded. So I think the maximum is roughly $5,000 per week. I think that will be enough for 99.9% of the people, because not many people are going to buy more than $5,000 a week of crypto with this PayPal option. And now if you're asking, is this available also in your country? And they have listed the available countries here on the Crypto.com website. You can check them in real time, the list of available countries. And they have also mentioned here that they are working to make this feature available for more countries. And now you might be asking, but hey, what if you don't see the PayPal option here on the Crypto.com? Then there are also many other ways how you can buy crypto right here. For example, Google Pay. Then you can click here add payment method, and you can buy crypto with credit or debit card. But you notice that there is also a 3% fee. So if you want to do this with the zero fees, then there is a bank transfer method. Let me close this one, and you can come here in the home page and you can click here deposit, and then you choose here deposit cash from your bank account. And here you can see the details of bank deposits. The minimum is €1, the maximum is 1 million euros at a time. So here you can deposit much more even at once if you want. It says that deposits are usually processed within minutes, and your first deposit may take up to 1 business day, no fees, and that's the beautiful part. You can copy paste the details from the bottom and do the bank transfer, or you can click here send info to your email and then copy paste it from there. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. Ultimate guide and more.